Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to set a photo shuffle wallpaper on iPhone. First, update your iPhone to iOS 17 or a later version. Then you're free to go into settings and then go to wallpaper and simply tap and new wallpaper and photo shuffle. And from here, for manual selection, you can choose the photos you want to add from the gallery or choose the album from which the photos will be selected automatically. Let's choose photos manually and let's choose those 4. And you can decide how often you want your wallpaper to change by tapping on those 3 dots, and as you can see, you can set it for daily, hourly, on lock, on tap, and yeah, that's it. Tap add to save your settings and then set as wallpaper pair, for example. And that's it. If this video was helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching.